I'm making the ancient fermented Roman fish sauce known as garum. I took some fresh mackerel fish, cut them up, guts, heads, and all, and then I mixed that mackerel with some salt, put it in a glass jar, and I left it out in the sun for a couple months. And what happens is the bacteria and digestive enzymes in the fish's own guts will break down the fish itself. Now this may sound pretty gnarly, but it's the same process as any Asian fish sauce as well. Now after the first week, it was pretty much just fishy water and fish chunks, and it smelled pretty bad. And then at 2 months, this turned a little bit more goopy and pasty, but the smell was improving. But for the most part, the fish chunks were still pretty whole. Now it's been almost exactly 3 months, sat in the Korean South Coast sun, where we get almost no cloud cover at all. And it has yet again made some big changes since the last update. Now before I started mixing this though, I took a temperature reading immediately after bringing it inside, since I noticed the jar was almost hot to the touch. And the internal temperature was 45 degrees Celsius, or 113 degrees Fahrenheit, just from sitting in the sun. So I mixed this about, and I could only really find maybe 2 or 3 small chunks left, and pretty much no semblance of a fish other than some fish bones. The smell, however, was not bad at all, if you can say that about fermented fish. It smells exactly like dried squid, and some of you should know exactly what I'm talking about. It's something that I actually like to eat as well. But I want this to have all summer to ferment, and here in Korea we still have a couple more months until it gets colder. So I'm going to set this back for now and check back in the future. So make sure you're following my account if you aren't already, if you want to see the finished product.